Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna review Apple MacBook Pro. So it's Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch Apple M1 Pro chip with 10-core CPU and 16-core GPU, 16 GB RAM and 1 TB SSD, and its color is silver. Its ratings are 472 and its answered questions are 115. It's currently unavailable and we don't know when or if this item will be back in stock or not. Okay, so its style is 16-core GPU, its color is silver, its capacity is 1 TB, option from $2,698. Okay, let's see its features. Its brand is Apple, model name is MacBook Pro, screen size is 16.2 inches, its color is silver, hard disk size is 1 TB, CPU model is others, RAM memory is 16 GB, its operating system is Mac OS, graphic card description is integrated, graphic coprocessor is M1 Pro. So let's see about this item. Apple M1 Pro or M1 Max chip for a massive leap in CPU, GPU and machine learning performance. Up to 10 core CPU delivers up to 2x faster performance to fly through pro workflows quicker than ever. Up to 32 core GPU with up to 4x faster performance for graphic intensive apps and games. 16 core neural engine for up to 5x faster machine learning performance, longer battery life up to 21 hours, up to 64 GB of unfeed memory. So everything you do is fast and fluid. Up to 8 TB of super fast SSD storage, launches apps and opens file in an instant. Stunning 16-inch liquid retina XDR display with extreme dynamic range and contrast ratio, 1080p FaceTime HD camera with advanced image signal processor for sharper video calls, 6 speaker sound system with force cancelling woofers. So this is the detailed picture of this MacBook Pro. As you can see here, supercharged for pros, the blazing fast M1 Pro or M1 Max chip for groundbreaking performance and amazing battery life, is stunning liquid retina XDR display and all the ports you need. This is the notebook you have been waiting for. Powerful performance, not power hungry. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be back very soon with another informative video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.